All right, I got the large lathe here. I'm getting ready to let's kick it on and make sure you guys can see kind of it. Make sure it's going to run. Compared to everything else, like everything's pretty smooth. All the adjustments, fine adjustments, are working out good as well. Just want to be able to have you see that. Maybe change the speed on. Turn it up a little faster. We'll turn it all the way down. There it is.
Right there.
Guys, thanks for watching. Check it out. auctionmo.com ends on Thursday, the 29th, September 29th at 6 p.m. We appreciate you watching.